Homestead. I am working with rock today to try and get myself a set of steps up this steep part of this hill right here. They seem to like to run down it, and I don't want them to land on the rock, so maybe they'll use steps. Today, I like weather like this. Overcast, nice breeze up here on the hill. Working on a golf course, I'm out in the sun every single day, so I can appreciate a cloudy day and comfortable. I'm going to show you how the buckwheat's doing over here that I put down. And we're supposed to have several days of rain coming, so it should help this real well. Let me get my camera turned around. We can see the little shoots coming up everywhere, and hopefully this rain will get some more of them going, and the bees will have one more thing to pollinate and to get nectar from. Go on, Chip. Watch this dog. Chip, go. Go. And into the pond he went. Anyhow, I'm just really glad to see this stuff coming up and really hoping for the rain. Ponds are down, creeks are down. A while back we had rain every single week, and now it's been pretty sparse, far and few between. Last year I did a vlog on my grapevine that had black grape rot, I believe it was called. So I dug the vine up and moved it to an area where it's going to get more sun quicker, where it's going to be able to dry out faster in the morning from the dew. And I honestly didn't think that I had a chance on it surviving the way it was looking. And then all of a sudden it has just come to life. I am very, very happy about that. That's coming along pretty well now all of a sudden. Probably not going to have anything on the prune trees or the apple trees. I think the frost got the best of them. And the bees are doing good. Walk over here where I was working and show you the elderberry. Again, this was just where heirloom permaculture had said to cut these back ever so many years. And I don't know if this one had ever been cut back, but I just threw that in the pond and it started growing. I got that along with this one. This one's not as well, but I think I've just got a lot that didn't survive on it. It's just too dry, brittle. I need to prune it back so the rest of it can grow healthy. Right down there, I have 8 more of them, and I think 7 of the 8 are good. One was kind of iffy, but really happy with that. It's encouraging. I've been out riding country roads looking for elderberry as well, along roadsides, seeing what I can find. So we'll have plenty that we can harvest. I'll give you a shot across the pond. I've been building a deck out there. So far, all the lumber, everything involved over there so far hadn't cost anything. Biggest part of it was a range fence we took down on the driving range at the golf course, and they were going to throw it all away. And now with COVID, I can't get lumber. I can't get deck boards. Every store is completely empty. So I do have a friend that has a sawmill that's looking out for some cedar for me or something that I can use. I just want to be able to sit up there and enjoy coffee in the morning, sunset in the evening. And over here, what do we have? We have the crazy dog. Go! That's Chip. Ellie has never gone out far enough to swim. And Chip thrives on it. Go! There's our little floating island doing good. Hard to see from here, but there are some little red strawberries on it. And now, it's about time for me to get back to work on this rock. I just thought I would take a little break and show you what was going on out here. The garden is just doing great. Kim is very, very dedicated to the care of her garden. The raised beds are super. The soil that I brought in has just been really, really good. Then again, like I said, man, I am hoping for several days of rain. That would be a nice break, especially at work. So anyhow, back to digging this out, putting some rocks in. Thanks for spending a little time with me here at Runaway Homestead, and be a blessing in somebody's life if you're able. Have a good day.